Rustic floral arrangements embracing nature for romantic occasions. Introduction: the beauty of rustic floral arrangements. Welcome back to Decor Lab. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic floral arrangements, perfect for adding a touch of romance to any occasion. Whether you're planning a wedding, celebrating an anniversary, or simply looking to beautify your home, incorporating floral elements can elevate your space in ways you never thought possible. In this video, we'll explore how to create stunning arrangements that embrace the natural beauty of the outdoors, infusing your celebrations with warmth and charm. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or experiences in rustic decorating. The essence of rustic aesthetics. Rustic aesthetics are all about celebrating the raw and unrefined beauty of nature. Unlike more polished and formal floral designs, rustic arrangements focus on natural textures, colors, and forms. This style is deeply rooted in the principles of simplicity and organic beauty, making it perfect for romantic occasions. Imagine wildflowers arranged casually in a vintage mason jar or a lush bouquet of greenery cascading from a rustic wooden table centerpiece. These designs are not just visually appealing, they evoke feelings of warmth and nostalgia. choosing the right flowers. When crafting rustic floral arrangements, the choice of flowers is crucial. Opt for seasonal blooms that reflect the natural palette of your surroundings. Sunflowers, daisies, lavender, and wildflowers are excellent choices for a rustic vibe. Additionally, consider incorporating foliage such as eucalyptus or ferns, which add depth and texture to your arrangements. As you select your flowers, think about the colors that resonate with the season. Warm earth tones for fall or soft pastels for spring can set the mood perfectly. Tools and materials for rustic arrangements. To create beautiful rustic arrangements, you'll need the right tools and materials. Start with a variety of vases and containers. Think mason jars, wooden boxes, or even repurposed tin cans. These elements add character and charm to your designs. Additionally, gather floral foam or chicken wire to support your stems, ensuring that your arrangements remain stable. Scissors, wire cutters, and twine are also essential tools for securing your flowers and adding finishing touches. By choosing the right materials, you not Techniques for arrangement. Arranging flowers is both an art and a science. Begin by conditioning your flowers, cutting the stems at an angle and placing them in water to allow for better hydration. When creating your arrangement, start with your larger blooms, positioning them at varied heights for a more natural look. Next, fill in with medium-sized flowers and foliage, creating a sense of fullness and depth. Don't be afraid to play with asymmetry. This imperfection is what gives rustic arrangements their charm. Finally, add smaller blooms or accents to fill in any gaps and create. The role of color in rustic arrangements. Color plays a significant role in the overall feel of your rustic floral arrangements. Think about the mood you wish to convey. Warmer hues evoke coziness and intimacy, while cooler shades can create a calming atmosphere. Natural, muted colors often work best in rustic designs, allowing the beauty of the flowers to shine through without overwhelming the senses. When selecting your color palette, consider how the flowers will complement the environment. Are they intended to stand out or blend seamlessly with the decor? Harmonizing your arrangements with the surrounding elements will enhance. Incorporating seasonal elements. Incorporating seasonal elements can further enhance the rustic charm of your floral arrangements. For instance, during fall, consider adding pine cones, acorns, or even small pumpkins to your displays. In winter, evergreen branches and berries can bring a festive touch. Spring arrangements can be livened up with branches of flowering dogwood or cherry blossoms. Summer offers the chance to use vibrant blooms and even herbs for added fragrance. By embracing the unique offerings of each season, you create arrangements that feel timely and connected to the natural world. Personal touches, adding meaning. To make your floral arrangements even more special, consider adding personal touches that reflect your unique story or the occasion. Incorporating sentimental items, such as family heirlooms or photographs, can transform your arrangement into a meaningful centerpiece. You might also include flowers that hold specific memories or symbolism for you and your loved ones. This attention to detail not only enhances the visual appeal but also creates a deeper emotional connection, making your rustic arrangements truly one of a kind. Conclusion: embracing nature's romance. In conclusion, rustic floral arrangements are a beautiful way to embrace nature for romantic occasions. They offer a blend of simplicity, charm, and personal expression that elevates any setting. Whether you choose to create your arrangements from scratch or gather inspiration from nature's bounty, the key is to let your creativity flow. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the enchanting world of rustic decor. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on rustic floral arrangements.